How to join Popeyes Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Popeyes website. Here, click on Rewards at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Rewards at the top right corner of your screen, click on Sign Up. Here, click on Continue with Apple, Continue with Google, or add your email address. Simply clicking Continue with Google will directly link your Google device account, and press on Continue again. And after you do this, you will be signed up to Popeyes Rewards system. Here you can purchase and you will receive rewards. This is how to join Popeyes Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.